Hello, buddies. This is Kaur from English Asan, and it's our day one of our challenge, which is about English speaking challenge. And we will complete this challenge together. And what's the challenge? Okay, now let me introduce you what is the challenge. The challenge is we will practice for 30 days. We will practice English together. I will tell you how can you speak at your own at your home without any friend, without any teacher, without spending your money. And I will post videos on my daily basis while I will be practicing, okay? And you will get to know how can you guys practice at your home without any partner, how can you learn English at your home without any partner. And I will not edit these videos a lot, okay? I will just make these videos as simple as much as I can. I will just add subtitles in the videos, okay? That's all. And I will show you whatever I will learn, okay? I will show you the reality. How can you learn in reality? How can you practice in reality without having any partner? Okay. And the main thing, I am very excited today. Why? Because by completing this challenge, I like I know that I am able to learn I am able to speak in English. I know that I am able to make sentences in English, but I just want to be fluent. That's why I am trying to improve myself a lot, or I am trying to improve myself as much as I can. And that's why I just want to complete this course. I just want to complete this challenge, and I have given this challenge to myself, and I am also giving this challenge to all of you who really want to learn English. If you really want to learn English, you just have to be with me in this challenge and to try to watch all of my videos on my daily basis, whatever I will post, because I will show you just reality. That's all. And I know that there are many questions which might be raising in your mind, that how can I learn English? I don't have any partner, I don't have good environment to learn English, even I don't know how can I describe my surrounding in English. But it's okay. These are the questions which I have faced, or which I have sought out in my life. That's why I am trying to tell to all of you in my videos that how can you tackle these problems at your own, okay? The first thing, this is a day one, and today you will speak 3 sentences with me. Now just repeat these sentences with me, okay, after me. The first sentence is I will speak in English. Repeat after me. I will speak in English. The second sentence is even if it is broken. चाहे ये टूटी फूटी हो, even if it is slow, but I will improve myself. चाहे ये टूटी फूटी है, चाहे ये slow है, but मैं improve करूँगी somehow. So आपने इंग्लिश बोली ना, you have spoken, okay? You have repeated after me. That's how you can learn English. Try to repeat whatever I am saying, and try to, like, whatever I have discuss in my videos, try to talk about that thing in your own way, just in your broken English, in your mistaken English. Try to make mistakes. Mistakes are the proof that you are learning. If you will not make mistakes, how will you learn? Now, for example, I am standing in my kitchen, okay? Right now I'm standing in the kitchen, and we will learn, okay? We will practice. Now you can get to know how can you practice. For example, today I will describe how can you talk about your kitchen. For example, these are flowers, okay? This is a tea towel, okay? And there is a shelf on which there are many pots and bottles and canes which are organized properly. Okay, I'm trying to make very simple sentences, okay? You can simply say that this is a shelf, and there are some cups, some glasses, and some bottles are here, okay? And the next thing we can say that this is a sink. ये एक sink है, okay? This is a sink. As you can see, this is a sink. वो जो नीचे है वो sink है. So you can say like this. This is a tap, okay? ये null hai, okay? This is a tap. The hot water comes here, and the cold water comes from here. If we will use this, we can use cold water. If we will use this, we can use hot water. Sorry, I'm fumbling right now, sorry for that, but I am trying to improve, okay? I'm trying to describe what I'm just trying to describe whatever is around me. So this is a dish rack. You can say that this is a dish rack in which we arrange the utensils, Okay, we have arranged all the utensils here. There are many bowls, many plates, many short plates, many big plates, and some glasses and cups are also here. We use these cups and glasses for pouring tea and water. Okay, so this is how you can describe whatever is around you. Just try to describe. So this is our first day. Okay, this is our day one. I just I'm just trying to tell you how can you describe your surrounding, whether you are in your room, whether you are outside, whether you are cooking something, whether you are making something. Just try to describe that thing in English. For example, right now you are making tea, so you can describe how can you make tea. For example, firstly you will pour water in the pan, then you will put some tea and sugar in that, and then you will also pour milk and that, and after that you will boil that, and that's how we make tea for having. I know that I know English, I can speak in English in a good way, and I know that it would be a bit difficult to all of you who are beginner in English to make sentences. I know that it would be difficult for many of you, but try to learn as I am telling to all of you. How can you describe? I'm telling you how can you describe. I have already made many sentences in the kitchen, and I have told you how can you describe the things which are in kitchen. Okay, you can describe these things like me. How how I made sentences, you can also make sentences like this. Okay, and this is how you can learn English. You can practice at your own, at your home. Even if you are feeling shy for speaking in front of anyone, like you're feeling shy to speak in front of your family members, just go into your room, or just go in any of the room of your house. Just go there and just close the door of that room and try to describe whatever is around you. For example, we have chairs in our room, we have bed in our room, we have table in our room, even some books, okay, bed sheet, and cupboard. Okay, and then like many things which can be seen in room. For example, window, doors. So these are the things we have in our home or in our room. So we can make sentences by using these words. For example, there is a one door of my room, and I just opened that door to go in my room, and then now I use this pen for writing, I use books for reading, and I use this cupboard for holding the pen, like. So this is how you can make sentences. And if you want to learn in this way, so please subscribe this channel and like this video and share this video with all of your friends who are eager to learn English, who are eager to learn English at your own in real life. Okay, they can practice at your own without having any partner, without spending their money, but they just should have one way to learn English, and this is the right way. They can practice in reality. Okay, and that's all for today. If you have learned something from this video, again I'm saying you please share this video, like it, and subscribe this channel. And the main thing, subscribe this channel and you will get the notification of my videos on your daily basis. I will post my videos at 9 a.m. and you can watch my videos. Okay, I will post my videos on my daily basis, and you can learn by watching those videos. Thank you.